Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and today I'm going to be giving you guys a full detailed how to tie your head wrap tutorial. So I have a video that I posted about 10 or 11 months ago, my first how to tie a head wrap tutorial with 4 easy ways to tie your head wrap. But in that video, I wasn't really talking or anything like that. So I wanted to give an updated how to tie your head wrap tutorial where I'm kind of walking you through it step by step so that way you can tie your head wrap too. So in case you don't know, I have an online accessory boutique called Omega Queen Boutique, and I do sell head wraps and head wrap accessories. So I get asked a lot from customers, how do I tie a head wrap? Do you have videos? So I do have videos on my Omega Queen Boutique Instagram channel where I do some tutorials there. And then I also have a video here on YouTube, head wrap tutorial. But I'm going to be walking you guys through today in this updated tutorial. All these styles that I'll be showing you today, I'm going to show you guys 3 styles. They can be done if you have longer hair, so if you want to wear your hair down and do these head wrap styles, or if you have long braids, or if you want to have your hair up like I have mine. I have my hair up right now in like an updo with a Dutch braid in the back and some twists for bangs because I am protective styling right now. So you can also do it on a style like this if your hair is up as well. So if you are interested in seeing how I tie my head wrap, I'd like you to stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to get into this head wrap tutorial. I also put on just a little bit of date night makeup and accessories and stuff just to show you guys that head wraps are not just for lounging around at home, doing dishes, babysitting, watching the kids, honey. We can go out, we can dress these head wraps up and make them look good with some accessories and a little bit of razzle dazzle on the face. So this first style I'm going to show you is really easy. So I am going to leave my bangs out for this. If you don't have bangs, it works too, but this is just how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to be using the Tiara head wrap that's currently available on our website. But realistically, you can use whatever you have. If you have a long piece of fabric, if you have a silk scarf, or if you have a head wrap of your own already, you can definitely use this. Or if you don't and you want to purchase one, I do have head wraps available on the site. And this head wrap that I have, it is long. This, just to give you the dimensions, it's 72 inches long. So if you want to do all the tying and all that stuff, you do want to get one that's rather long. Okay, so we're going to start. You're not going to fold the wrap or anything. You're just going to place it at the back of your head and just make sure the back of your hair is covered to your liking. And then so what I do is I just kind of pull both sides forward just to make sure they're even, so I get an even tie. And then don't worry about this hanging right here, okay guys? Just don't worry because we're going to cover that up. And since I have bangs, I'm going to come a little bit higher with my wrap so that way my bangs will come out. And all I'm going to do is just tie one knot. So just like you're tying shoestrings or tying something to make a knot, just tie one knot. And you can make it as loose or as tight as you need to, whatever is more comfortable for you. And a quick tip for my ladies who are wig wearers, or even if you're not, you can also use a wig grip under your head wrap to prevent your head wrap from slipping back if that's a problem that you face. But normally I usually don't have that problem, but that's a quick tip for you. So I'm just gonna adjust my bangs, make sure, and then if you have longer hair coming out, just adjust your hair. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take one side of the wrap and then you're just gonna start tying it around. you're just gonna make a circle around the knot that we created. And don't worry if it's not perfect, because in my opinion, the more imperfect it looks, the better it looks. So once you get wrapped around and you have this little piece out, you're just gonna tuck it right in there, right where you made that knot, and you can even kind of see it coming out, and that's okay. So you're just gonna tuck it so it's secure. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take your other side and you're gonna wrap it the opposite way that you wrapped the other one. So we're gonna take it and come around this way and just wrap it around what we already did. This is what makes it big and gives it that big knot look. And then you're just gonna tuck it in, okay? Just these bangs a little bit, and that's it. That is it. So this is our first look. And this is the most, at least in my opinion, the most simple style for head wrapping. So yeah, super simple, super easy. Again, if you're going out on a date or out with the girls, just, dress it up with some accessories, throw on a necklace, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so the next style I'm going to show you guys is actually the same what we did just before in the front, but in the back. So we're going to do that. And again, you can, even if you have your hair down, you can do it this way. Or if you have your hair slicked back into a bun, that's actually the perfect way to have it, because it gives you the base for the bun in the back. But I'm going to show you guys how to get the bun look without having a base in the back. Like, I don't have anything, I don't have a ponytail in the back. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve that knot in the back without it. So again, don't want to fold your wrap or anything, just open it on up. And you're going to put it over your head like this. And again, you just want to adjust. So if you have bangs out, make sure your bangs are out in their full glory. And I'm going to just push mine out. Actually, I'm going to put this forward just a little bit. All right. And then just bring these forward just to make sure it's a bit even. But you'll have your mirror so you'll be able to see. So we got that. And then all we're going to do from here is, again, just tie it into one knot to the back. And then adjust to wherever you need to. All right. And once you have it tied, you should have this hanging in the back. Your two pieces, just like we had before, but they're in the back. So we're going to do this very, very same thing. So let me adjust it here. All you're gonna do is just take a side and start wrapping it around. Once you get to the end, you just tuck it under. And this is, in this position is pretty cool, because you can either tuck it under your wrap, like where your hair is, or you could just tuck it into the knot that we've made. And then you do the same thing on this side. Again, you just tuck it. And that's it. So you have a cute little bun situation in the back. Wrap is covering your hair. And you can just get up and go. So another quick, super easy wrap style. Like I said, if you already have a ponytail or a bun in the back, that is really going to help you, so that way you don't have to try to create the knot or create the bun yourself. You could just wrap it around your bun and it'd be done. But if you don't have a bun, if you're starting with a flat base like me, that's all you got to do, just like we did it in the front. So here is another easy sleigh with the head wrap. All right, guys. So for this last look, we're gonna get a little fancy. We're gonna put just a little bit of razzle dazzle on it, but don't worry, it's still gonna be super easy. And again, this one is really cool. You can wear your hair down. If you have shorter hair, this is definitely gonna work for you too. So we're gonna do sort of like a crown. So again, don't need to fold your wrap. You're gonna open it on up. And then we are going to start kind of like how we just started for the last one. We're going to put it over our head, but we're going to do something just a little different. We're going to bring it to the side. So we're going to place the scarf on our head, get it positioned where we want, but bring your ends to the side. So we're going to make a knot on the side. So once you have it where you want it, just go ahead and tie one knot. And I probably should have done this on the side opposite my bangs, but that's okay. Just do as I say, not as I do. All right, so then you have this hanging on the side, right? So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our two ends and we're just gonna twist them. So you're gonna twist it all the way down. All right, so once you have it twisted all the way down, this is the fun part. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that twisted part and bring it just along the side or the front of your forehead and around your head, like as if it's a crown. So you're gonna leave that, and then for the end, you're just going to tuck it up under your wrap. And then that's it. So you have yourself a crown wrap. Super easy style, really cute. Dress it up with some accessories, can easily be a date night look. And another quick, simple head wrap sleigh. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this updated step-by-step head wrap tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give me a like, thumbs up, share it with anybody you think may find it useful as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get them subscribers up because I want to bring you guys more content. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, if you want to shop with me, the site is omegaqueenboutique.com. I will have it linked in the description box. And if you join our VIP list, you get 25% off of your first order. So check that out in the description box too. If you like the head wrap that I was using today, it is available on the site. So check me out. Don't be scared. Check me out, girl. I got something for everyone. So don't even worry about it. I got you. I got you, girl. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.